Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this couch caddy tray, a companion, whatever you want to call it, for the couch or the bed, which I think it is really good. This brand sent it to me for the video, and I tried it already on my sofa and my gaming sofa as well, which is over there. We're gonna go to the living room sofa in just a few seconds, but this one could be really good if you are number one, you like to binge watch TV shows and you don't have a coffee table or something like that, or you have like a big couch and you don't have like those L-shaped trays or whatever. This one is actually kind of good. It comes with this really nice wooden base and also the silicone mat over here that you will be able to put like a mug, like a bottle. You can put snacks, you can put a big bottle, a tumbler, just whatever you want. You can put it in here and just enjoy those snacks or some food without the hassle, just like having to clean or put everything in some other places. But the best thing about this one is that you can put your tablet or phone in here and you can use it to binge watch from here, from your phone or your tablet, using this thing over here. So this actually jump on the couch just for a little bit, but by the way, also comes with kind of like silicone rubber pads on the bottom. So if you put it in a place like, for example, a desk or something like that, it won't move easily. So then, as you can see over here, I can put everything I want. But the most important thing, I think, is that you can put your mug over here with the handle. You can actually put it in here and it will fit perfectly. So that is really good. So if you have like a hot coffee, hot tea or something like that, you don't have to worry about it because it's full of silicone. And then you can put cans, you can put snacks, you can put your phone over here. Everything with this little caddy that I think it is really good for binge watching TV shows, movies, just from your cell phone, your tablet, your TV over there. And just don't worry about the hassle of having everything in different places. You have everything in just one single place. So I like it. I'm gonna just eat this chocolate, so why not? Because I have my caddy over here. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.